Hi, this is Mike, WA3TTS, and we've been chasing around noise in my VLF system here. I have NAA on 24 kilohertz. We'll take a listen. And we go up to 24.8, we should have the other one. And it's not on right now. 25.2, yeah, 25.2 is here. Alright, maybe we'll have NPM on 21.4 in Hawaii. Yeah. That's fairly decent. It's about S3, S2. One of those Europeans at 20.9. There's a little bit of noise here. I'm not getting the MSK at 19.6, but I was getting it this morning. There's a carrier line there, but not a bunch. Here, let's take Argo over to real time. Bring the speed up. No mode. Go to CW mode. And get out of a narrow CW. So there's some noise at 18 kilohertz. There's 17.2. That's at 1500. I'm going to take this thing. Do the IF shift maybe. There. My passband's 650 hertz, and that's get this mirror out of the way. That's 500 hertz here and 1000 there, and I don't have a cluster of harmonic lines there anymore. It went away. What we did is we took the two EWE RG6 lines. We had them going through this common hole here with all my VHF cables, and we took them out. We moved them over here, up in the back there, and a bunch of ferrites over one branch circuit that they come close to. But anyway, got those away from that. And then we went to the halfway point outside and grounded everything. And this all came about because I was hearing noises other places. Apparently there's a 470 kilohertz switching supply from a telecom power supply somewhere in the neighborhood, and it's on my service ground. If I take a shell 469, something like that, I get close to it and you can hear it come up. Okay. Come over here to the rack, the same thing. I hear it come up like that. Well, I figured, well, if it does that, then all those cables together, hear that? It's not as strong, but it was like, yeah, we should get the low noise receive antennas away from that. Sure enough, it made a difference. I was surprised. So anyway, I'll show you real quick out the back. Go outside. These cables come out the side of the house there. There's one right there. Oh, that's a garden hose. Where my foot is here, that's a cable. They go along the fence. You see them on the ground here. And come around right here. A grounding block and ground rod. Another ground rod over there. And these two cables split apart. There's one there. They go over. There's a tree. I'm gonna get out of the view here. Over here. It's the southwest side of my EWE antenna with a common mode chuck and transformer. It goes up to the tree, and I got a ground wire going along up to the other end. This is the middle of the EWE with an apple tree. The other EWE transformer and common mode choke over there going up. And I had a rabbit over there. Can't really see him. There he is. Haven't seen a rabbit around here in a long time. The cats chase everything around here. Anyway, that's the setup, John. So I can give you a visual on it. Too many trees in the backyard. I'd love to be able to put up a E-probe antenna, and just don't have room. Every place I go, I have capacitive coupling, so I cut all the trees down. Kind of out of luck here. Anyway, 7-3 from Mike, WA3TTS.